In just 2 years, Tesla's Optimus robot has undergone 3 major design revisions and 4 hand upgrades, transforming it into a cutting-edge humanoid. Optimus is now a familiar sight in Tesla's offices and labs, where it autonomously navigates and performs tasks daily with remarkable precision. Even the Optimus robots have been deployed in Tesla factories, autonomously handling complex operations that were once reserved for human workers. Elon's confident that Optimus is perfect, with a latency of only 20 milliseconds. That's 10 times faster than human reaction speed. So how far can this tech actually go? And what's the next breakthrough for Optimus? How does Optimus increase operating time 3 times? The Optimus is packing a 2.3 kilowatt-hour 52-volt battery, which allows it to work for a whopping 23 hours straight on just one single charge. Optimus has smarts packed right into its chest, where Tesla's custom-designed system on a chip lives. This little powerhouse is basically the same computer found in Tesla's self-driving cars. It connects via Wi-Fi, even LTE, processing visual data from the cameras in its head, and sensory input from its fingers to make real-time decisions.
Yes, you heard that right. It's not just following a script, it's thinking on its feet thanks to neural network training. And just like Tesla's cars, this baby's got a built-in battery management system that handles everything from charging to power distribution to keep things cool when things get hot. But it's not just smart, it's also fast. With advanced AI, Optimus is 30% faster at getting tasks done, meaning it cranks out more work in less time. And that's not speed for just speed's sake. It makes a difference when you're counting on this bot to stay active all day long. Optimus can work alongside humans in a production setting, boosting productivity by up to 40%. Imagine having this baby in your factory or warehouse. Suddenly, you're working smarter, not harder. Now, the power management system in Optimus deserves its own round of applause. Equipped with an intelligent energy management setup that optimizes power consumption based on the task at hand. So, whether it's doing heavy lifting or simply on standby, Optimus makes sure it's sipping power efficiently. In fact, in lower power mode, it can stay functional for up to 2 days. That's 48 hours of standby time before needing a recharge. And when it's in action, Tesla says it uses 30% less energy compared to the competition. For normal movements, you're looking at 100 watts an hour. And for more power-hungry tasks, maybe about 400 watts. For a humanoid robot, that's about as energy efficient as things are going to get. Now, imagine if Optimus handled package deliveries autonomously. Yes, no more waiting for a human to shuffle your goods from point A to B. And if that wasn't enough, Tesla says this could cut costs by 25%. So you could be looking at massive savings just by letting this bot do the heavy lifting in your warehouse. Whether it's outworking, outlasting, or just outright outsmarting the other robots, Optimus offers an incredible combo of brains, bronze, and battery life that leaves others in the dust. At under $20,000 for a robot that works nearly 24 hours on one charge seems like a versatile genius for us. Imagine having a robot that's faster than your internet connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Tesla's Optimus bot responds to tasks in a blazing 20 milliseconds. That's faster than anything else on the robot, thanks to its next-gen AI and processing power. The robot's armed with a neural network boasting 175 billion parameters, leaving most current AI models in the dust. Plus, the mobility's off the charts. Optimus rocks a full-body design with over 200 degrees of freedom, including 22 in just its hands alone, powered by 6 micro actuators.
Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now.
Elon said he even expects it to thread a needle by the end of the year. And when it comes to heavy lifting, Optimus can lift up to 150 pounds, easily doing all the tough chores around the house or the yard. Speaking of its hands, each of Optimus's arms has 22 degrees of freedom and can manage a 10-kilo payload. It's got a 1,000 millimeter reach, so it can really stretch out and grab whatever you need, whether it's grabbing a dumbbell or helping you open up a jar of pickles. The hands are designed to mimic the dexterity of human fingers, which makes it even better at handling complex, delicate tasks. Walking on two legs? No problem for this baby. Tesla's Optimus uses dynamic stability algorithms to balance itself and walk like a human. Whether it's navigating a cluttered living room or an icy driveway, Optimus can adjust in real time. That's right, this bot learns on the fly using reinforcement learning, so you won't need a bunch of different models to handle different jobs like vacuuming, shoveling snow, or teaching the kids how to do their homework. Optimus learns and adapts to your lifestyle, cutting down on the need for multiple robots. Tesla's ramping up things with Optimus, planning to train this bot in a real-world setting using data collected from their massive fleet of cars. Yes, all that data flowing in from your friendly Tesla vehicles will help Optimus get a grip on understanding human environments and even adapt to different cultures across regions. Yep, Optimus is about to get worldly. Optimus can jump in the kitchen, lending a robotic hand in whipping up traditional southern dishes like gumbo or barbecue. It'll even learn local recipes and cooking techniques. And not stopping there, it can help out local events like community barbecues or functions. Optimus will know how to whip up speedy meals like a salad or stir perfect for those cramped apartments.
With its advanced sensors, Optimus can easily maneuver anything. Thanks to its precision sensors and 99% obstacle avoidance capability, it can navigate tiny spaces without missing a beat, dodging everything from baby strollers to street vendors like a pro. Optimus doesn't just do tasks, it interacts with emotion. With its advanced AI, Optimus is stepping into the world of emotions. It'll make human interaction feel natural. Speaking of charging and battery technology, Tesla's advanced wireless and fast charging technology can fully charge Optimus in an hour, and all the fancy actuators in the robot not just make Optimus more agile, they also cut down on power usage. With advanced sensors and actuators, the Tesla bot navigates through tricky environments like a champ. This flexibility is a lifesaver, literally, when disaster strikes and the conditions are unpredictable. Whether it's clearing debris or lending a hand in emergencies, Tesla bot is proving it's capable of much more than just mopping floors. And unlike us mere mortals who need food, water, and a nap, this bot doesn't need breaks. It can work around the clock delivering essential services for as long as needed. There's still a lot to learn about the magic of Optimus. What do you think of Elon's brilliant invention? And would you like an Optimus in your house to make your life better? We'd be happy if you let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon.